showing you the things that I got from my 16th birthday. And disclaimer, I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. This video is highly requested, and there are like 4 people who messaged me on YouTube to do this video. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to the video. So hindi ko na sabihin kung kanino yung galing, guys, ang mga things na to, but I'll be showing it to you na lang. So yeah, let's start with the clothing first. So the first thing that I got is this. It's just a gray track pants. So yeah, I really like it because it's really comfy and parang pajama lang. So the next thing that I got is this. It is a smart holder. I'm not really sure where's my guys, but it's pretty like this, and it's maroon. I also got that in color white. It's so bright, and in mustard yellow. So I really like mustard yellow. So, and I also got a stripe of shoulder. It is these lettuce like detailing at the edge, so it's really cute. Next thing is I got this cotton on of shoulder black dress. So it's just like this, and I really like it because it's cute. So, and it's long, guys. So let's get into the smaller things that I got. So what I got is these highlighters. So it's really fun. You have to do this, but yeah, it's just like this. It comes in a pouch, which is really cute. I also got these cute pens, and nagamit ko na yung other side. So, kaya naman, I misplaced it. Next is I got this. It is just a small notebook, and yeah. And I also got these tassel earrings, and it is really cute. I got it in gold or brown. Isa parang. But anyways, yeah, I got this. And I also got 2 eyeshadows from Mary Kay. It is in the shade Merlot and Dusty Rose. So yeah, just like this. And I also got me foundation. And if you're wondering what shade am I, I'm 128. So yeah. I also got a Ever Belena powder. It is a 2-way cake powder, and nawala na yung box niya, guys. So ginamit ko na siya, and it's just like this, and it's really nice. I also got a Revlon lipstick, and di ko pa to siya nagagamit, guys, but it's in the shade Raisin. So I also got an umbrella, guys. It is an automatic umbrella, and I really like it because it's automatic. And in case of ulan, you know, guys, so really need this. And next is I got this backpack, and I'll use it to wear class. It's just black, and it's kind of like a leather-ish. I'm not really sure, but yeah, it's just like this. And the next thing is the thing that I asked for this birthday, because talaga ako nag-ask for anything, guys. I just asked for one thing, which is the thing that I need the most for my school, and this is this one. It comes in the iCenter paper bag. What I got is these MacBook Air 13-inch. It's just like this. This is the box. And what's inside the box is this one. Nagaling ko na siya. So, ganyan. Ito yung charger na. Pinagamit ko na kasi ito, guys. So, yeah. I also edit onto my laptop. This is it. It comes in a rose gold case. So yeah, this is also good for me. And yeah, just like this. It's really cute. And open to guys. So it has this pink keyboard. It's an ombre pink keyboard, and binigay din to sa akin to my birthday. So yeah, together with that is this case, and it has some pouch, palagyan ng mga charger. So yeah. So I hope you guys like my video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and don't forget to click that bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So bye guys!
Hold up.